Okay, we're going to start now. We will continue the revision of the chapter linear equations.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, may
Okay. Only 8 students have joined. Students joined very late. Most of them. Okay, so note down the question. Can you tell me what was the last one? What was the last question?
Sir, the last question was Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. After 12 years, he will be twice his son's age.
Okay.
So we were discussing the answer when the class was over.
Okay. Note down the next question, all of you. Have we discussed this question or we have to discuss this one? Rahul's father is.
So we have to discuss.
I think we have done. No?
So you were asking to write the answer in chat box.
Hmm.
After when we writing the answer, the class was over.
Okay, I have not explained.
No, sir, you are not explaining.
Okay. So, question is Rahul's father is thrice as old as Rahul. If Rahul says you can assume that it is present age, it is X, then father will be 3x. Then the father is 3.
3x.
Price of the age of Rahul, 3 times. Okay. After 12 years, now after 12 years, what will happen?
So we plus 12.
After 3 years, Rahul will become x plus 12, and father's age will be
3x plus 12.
he will become 3x plus 12. So this will be father's age after 12 years. Now, in the statement, it is given that after 12 years, he will be just twice
Twice.
his son. That means the father will be will be In place of will be, you will write equal to. The father will be twice the age of son. Twice the age of son.
Son.
Okay. Twice his age. That means twice the age of son. This is your equation. You can solve it. 3x plus 12 equals to 2x plus 24. 3x minus 2x equals to 12. That means x equals to 12. This is the value of x. This is Rahul's present age.
Yes,
This
sir.
is your Rahul's present age. And now father's present age. 3 multiplied by 12. That is 36 years. So 12 years and 36 years. These are the answers. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7. If 45 is added to the number, the digits the digits interchange their places. The digits interchange their places. Stop. Find the number. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7. If 45 if 45 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. If 45 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. So stop, find the number. Start doing it. But note down the question in your copies also. You have to note down the question also. Done the question, all of you?
No, sir. So please wait.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay. Correct answer, Mayank. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Ayush, better check your answer. Ayush, your answer is correct now. Others, what about you? Only two of you have given the answer, others are not able to do it. Okay, see this. First of all, you will assume that the original number is, because the sum of the digits is two, sorry, seven. Seven is the sum of the digits of a two-digit number. So you will assume that the digit at the tens place, the digit is x, and at the ones place, the digit is 7 minus x. 7 minus x. Why 7 minus x? Because the sum of the digits is given 7. If the first digit is x, the second will be 7 minus x. Okay. Now, what is your original number? The number is the digit which is at the tens place. The digit which is at the tens place, you have to multiply it by 10 to 10x plus the digit at the ones place. This is how you can form a two-digit number. Okay. This is your original number. New number. What is the meaning of new number? When you can get, how do you get a number? By interchanging the places of the digits. That means the digit at which is at the sorry, which is at the ones place goes to tens place, and the digit which is at the tens place goes to ones place. Interchange the position. So now 7 minus x goes to tens place. 10 into 7 minus x. Plus digit which was at the tens place goes to ones place plus x. Interchanging the position of the digits. This is the new number. Now it is given that if you add 45 in the number, in the original number, if we add 45, that means 10x plus 7 minus x. In this number, if I add 45, I get the new number. What is the new number? 10 into 7 minus x plus x. This is your new number. So if I add 45 in the original number, I get the new number. Okay. We can solve this equation now. 10x plus 7 minus x plus 45 equals to 70. 10 into 7, 70 minus 10x plus x. So 10x minus x is 9x. 7 plus 45 is 52. 70 minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. Okay. Now 9x plus 9x is equal to 70 minus 52. 18x is equals to 18. That means x equals to 1. This is the value of x. Okay. Now we can form the number. To find the original number, you have to put the value of x here. You have to find the original number. So you put the value of x here. So the number is 10x plus 7 minus x. This is your number. Put x equals to 1 in this. 10 into 1 plus 7 minus 1. 10 into 1 is 10 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. So the number is 16. 16 is the number. Now you can check your answer. 16 is the number. What is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 6. If I add the digits, 1 plus 6, what is the sum? The sum is 7. Correct. And if I add 45 in the number, 16, 16 में 45 ऐड कर लेंगे. 16 plus 45 makes 61. That means number में जो digits की position थी वो interchange हो गई. Okay, got it. This is how we can do this type of question. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now go to the next
Yes.
question. Yeah, next one. I'm going to dictate it. You have to note down in your copies. The cost of
Sir, please wait.
You are ready?
Yes.
The cost of 7 cups and the cost of 7 cups and 3 plates is rupees. The cost of 7 cups and 3 plates is rupees 1110. 1110 is rupees 1110. Full stop. If the cost of one plate if the cost of one plate is if the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup, if the cost of one plate is 10 times cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of 10 times the cost of one cup, comma, find the cost of one plate and one cup. Find the cost of one plate and one cup. Find the cost of one plate and one cup. Start doing. Find the cost of one plate and one cup. Yeah, it is an easy one. Okay, I'm giving you a little hint. First of all, you will assume that the cost of one cup is rupees X. First, you have to assume that the cost of one cup is rupees X. Now, it is also given that the cost of one plate is 10 times the cost of one cup. Plate की जो cost है, that is 10 times the cost of one cup. That means 10x. 10x is the cost of one plate. You have to assume this. One cup rupees X and one plate rupees 10x. Now form the equation and find the answer. You're done? Done, all of you? Cost of 7 cups and 3 plates.
Sir, done and sent to you. Answer.
Correct answer, very good. Ayush. Ayush Agarwal has given the correct answer. Others, I want an answer. Cost of सिंपल सी बात है 7 cups plus 3 plates. What is the cost given? 7 cups plus 3 plates. The cost is given 1110. Am I right or not? The cost of 7 cups and 3 plates. What is the cost of 7 cups? एक cup की cost rupees x है तो 7 cup की cost क्या हो जाएगी? 7x. 7 multiplied by x. Easy. Cost of 3 plates. What is the cost of 1 plate? It is 10x. So cost of 3 plates, 3 into 10x is equal to 1110. इतनी easy equation थी. And most of you are not able to do it. I don't know why. Have you understood now or not the equation? Yes, all of you. Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
7x, 3 into 10x, 30x is equal to 1110. 7x plus 30x, 37x, 1110. 37x equals to 1110, x equals to 1110 upon 37. That means x is equal to 30 rupees. When you divide 110 by 37, you get 30. So the cost of 1 cup is rupees 30. One plate 10x, that means rupees 300. 10 times, तो कप की कॉस्ट को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, you get rupees 300. The cost of one plate. Got it? Note down the next one. Yeah, the next question, all of you. In a triangle, note down. In a triangle, in a triangle, the largest angle is in a triangle, the largest angle is 6 times the smallest angle. In a triangle, the largest angle is 6 times the smallest angle. Full stop. Full stop. The second angle, the second largest angle of the triangle. Full stop के बाद the second largest angle of the triangle is twice the smallest angle. Is twice the smallest angle. Full stop. Find all the 3 angles of the triangle. Find the angles of the triangle. Find the angles of the triangle. Written, all of you? Written the question?
Yes, sir.
Start doing.
Sir, the class is going to over.